Hi guys, it's Didi from Embed Social. In this video, I will show you the steps on how to generate and showcase your Instagram stories through Embed feed. To start with, navigate to the dashboard. Once you are here, click on Sources, click Add New Source, and choose Stories. Make sure to connect the Facebook account that manages a page connected with the desired Instagram account. Check if all the permissions are given, and click Continue As. Click on Stories, make sure the desired Instagram account is selected, and click Next. Now you can choose one of the templates or choose to create a design from scratch. I'm going to choose the following template. You can further customize the widget through the settings on the left side of the editor, and once you're done with customizing it, you can showcase it on your website by copying the following code. That's it. Thank you.